Oh, yeah.
Good job, Wade. Epic fail. I guess we'll have to come back.
Yeah, I guess we'll have to come
Preferably when people are in four-wheel drive.
back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it is yet?
To start out part 2, we're back on this jungle-looking trail. Now if you remember, at the end of part 1, I told you we may or may not about to be pulling cable to get up this hill. Spoiler alert, we're about to get stuck. But we weren't the first to have issues on this hill. Jason had somehow lost his four-wheel drive, so if I'm telling you we're about to have issues, you can imagine what's happening in the front of the pack. In fact, let's head up to the front and see how it's going.
First comes spinning in front wheel. Nah, get right at the base of it, it should be alright, I think. It ain't gonna take much to get it on out.
This one's been winched before.
Has it? That don't surprise me. Get over a little bit further and then come out, then turn. All right, cut it. Say wide? I think you mean long.
Long, yes.
You got to come all the way back and hit it again, but you just about got it. Hey, don't try to start turning that way. Go on up the bank. That'll lift your front end. Yeah.
I'm too high centered, I can't do it.
This tire is almost up, but I know it's so damn wet. And
I can only push so much. Just a little bit more traction here, I'd be golden. But
yeah.
Or a little bit shorter wheelbase, maybe.
That would help. Every once in a while, it'll get you.
Yeah, that's fine. What? That tree will be fine, I think. Oh. Yeah. I don't need to pull very hard.
Yeah, it's literally just going to be a tug.
I mean, we could probably do it by hand if you felt strong.
If his feet could get some grip on the ground, yeah. Slipping and sliding all the way. Justin, get up on that bank over here before you turn into it. You know he's gonna make it.
Alright. It's wet.
A little bit more. Hey, a little bit more. A little bit. All right, straighten up. Hit it. The 1200 did good.
There's got to be some junk magic involved in that thing.
Hey, I don't disagree. I really don't.
His tires will slide like crazy.
All right. All right, this way.
No.
A little bit. All right, come on.
There you go. Keep going. Okay.
You let off.
Yeah, you let off.
That's all right, though. Yeah, just back her up. Come on back.
Straight up.
Yeah, back straight up.
Straighten up your wheel. Okay, you're good.
Just keep one foot on the brake. Yeah. Come on back.
Okay, stop.
A little bit more. Come on. Okay.
There you go.
All right, now put it in low. Throttle down.
Now, what? Yeah, go.
Hit it. Don't let up.
Don't let up. There you go. Well, I'm glad I got out. Now she's gonna get the ditch.
Yeah.
Look at that. He won't let you.
Don't let up.
Last time I drove, I looked it over.
Nine.
That's it,
No, I
boys.
flipped over the one that we're riding now.
Everybody? All right. So Jason's got a spot rutted out right there. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. Piece of cake. I'm gonna laugh if Justin gets stuck though, because that'll be the best day ever. Oh, never mind, never mind. I give up.
Justin gets stuck.
Oh.
Who's next?
The 800 back there. Oh yeah, she was.
I think the 800's in KC.
Yeah,
And then Bobby?
yeah. They got it. It's
800 in Jeremy. 880.
as easy as that was. Jason's making everything look so hard. I see daylight. We're at the top. Yeehaw! What's up there, buddy? Oh, I love it. Well, I thought we were at the top. Ooh. Keep your hands and arms inside the carpet. His four-wheel drive back.
Unfortunately for Jason, that assumption was entirely incorrect.
So close to perfect.
I know.
This far. Might have been better to go that way. Jason!
I bet it comes around.
Let's.
You don't want to try that?
Around, it might be better to go this way.
How deep is that rut, though? Oh, that ain't bad.
No. If he did all that two-wheel drive, he knew that two-wheel drive.
Heck yeah.
And I bet you these two come back together.
Well, there's like no tracks up there.
I bet this is the way. I said, I bet this is the way. Yeah. And you can do this. I think you can.
For everything we've gone over.
I thought he's got it back because that was impressive.
Right? I know. I'm like,
I told Kristen, I said, he has to have full drive.
yeah. That's what I thought. I'm like, I'm kind of struggling here. I can't imagine.
Yeah, I believe that's the way, buddy. Yeah. Don't
I don't know about me.
get some little bit of momentum.
Bounce, 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 bounce.
Did you find one finally?
He's throwing sparks. I love it.
Yeah, I'm going two-wheel drive.
No, he's being impressive enough for all of us. I think I'll stay right in four-wheel drive. Yeah, I don't know where he was going.
Soft dirt, just real soft dirt. It ain't packed.
Oh, wrong strap. Where are we going?
I think right here.
He was this far already.
Yeah, he was right here.
Okay. Lock it in. What's he saying? Don't try to cost me.
Well, if you get up to there, Jason, and get stuck again, just stay there. The parents will here. Get you back down. Just you got you with the tiger tail and tug you up into the.
Just, hey, don't try to go that way.
No.
I think it.
I knew I was in a bad spot. Just stay right there.
I'm gonna have you drive up. He's gonna back down and hold the tiger tail to him.
Because that's the machine to do it. Good.
That's good. My bad, Jason.
You're good.
No, we're not going to. He's gonna pull us right here. Aaron, no. Once he backs up, you're gonna back down and you're gonna go up where he's going now.
Well, you gotta go that way?
Okay, you good, buddy. Are we going this way right here? Okay. All right. We're gonna bring him right up this.
Can we fit through there?
No, I don't think so. him to get up ahead of you. All right, Aaron, go up here and then back into where he's at.
Okay, I'm gonna grab that strap.
I got 15 minutes.
Oh, there's some big ruts down there. Nice. Yo. Yeah, he is.
It's a little harder to
Just don't go over backwards, you'll be alright. Nice. I heard a bad sound there, Jeff.
I think it was just a trail in our...
I think so too. Yeah, come on back this way. Hey, go farther up and get over to the right. There you go, now crank her. Watch that tree right there. You're good, bring it back. Start cutting her off the other way. Cut her, cut her, cut her, cut her. Hey, go up that way and come back. I need like another foot. Let me get out of the way. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Alright.
You're gonna spin. There you go, just keep going. Keep going. I love those tiger tails.
So with Jason hooked up thanks to Jeff and his high lifter, we continued down the trail towards the epic waterfall. What we missed on video is where the rest of the group decided to take the other path and a couple of machines ended up on their sides. But since we didn't get any of it on video, we're not going to give you all the details. You're going to have to go check out Bob's YouTube channel. Bob's Razor Adventures. You can find the link to his channel on our homepage.
What I tell you, man,
That's pretty awesome.
it's not, hey, a rope swing right here would be amazing.
That's like right out of a Tomb Raider game there.
Dude, it's crazy.
I thought this was a drive-up thing.
Yeah, I do Razor Adventures, not Razor Cardio.
Razor Cardio Adventures.
Right. In the final episode, Wade has a heart attack and dies.
I bet that's really nice when it's pouring down rain.
I tried that hole's not deeper.
I know.
I really.
Full drive would be so awesome to get here.
David, you want to? I don't. I got to change my belt anyway. Yeah. Yeah, I did. My girlfriend did that actually.
That's the whole point of guys trips.
I'll hear that later tonight. Wait, dude, a drone right here.
I know.
Backing up and then scoot up and then go way out so it looks like a little bitty hole. And then come back in.
With everybody up here.
Well, you're fired. You're fired.
You're not the drone guy anymore.
I've got mine in the Razor too.
Say, okay,
Yeah.
where's number 2 at?
I know.
Yeah,
I've got a drone with me. Told you this was awesome. This is incredible to me.
It really is.
It's out here in the middle of these freaking woods.
Yeah.
In the middle of nowhere.
After the waterfalls, we headed back to camp. Of course, these GoPros in the dark really aren't that great, so we didn't get much video from that part of the ride. So to summarize, Jason got pulled a lot by the high lifter, and we made it back in one piece. Thanks for watching part 2 of day 2. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We do appreciate your support. Next week we will start our last day of riding. I hope you'll come back to join us for more of our Razor adventures.
This is super freaking wet.